Yamaha's 3 Mountain Max series snowmobiles offer variety for the deep snow enthusiast. While all 3 snowmobiles use a 2-stroke 800 class engine, upgraded Fox Zero QS3 shocks with rear lockout, and single beam suspension, the biggest footprint belongs to the Mountain Max 165 with 15 inches of width and 3-inch lug. The 165 is for those who ride the real steep and deep and need the right snowmobile to match. Also available are 2 154-inch versions with 15-inch track width. The standard 154 uses electric start and employs a 2.6-inch lug on its Camso Power Claw track. Meanwhile, the 154 SL, or Superlight, does away with the electric start and features a shorty seat, removing 15 pounds from the sled while employing a 3-inch track lug. The 154 SL is for those riders who demand the lightest weight for the deepest snow. All 3 of the Mountain Max models are only available during Spring Power Surge.